Hello and welcome. In this session, you will learn how to create teacher groups and add teachers to those groups. One of the great things about Edcite Schools is the ability for multiple users within the account to have access to data across your organization. Creating teacher groups and adding teachers to those groups are the first steps taken to give teachers permissions to view data on multiple levels. Check out our main Admin 101 tutorial for information on how to give teacher groups specific permissions to do things like view rosters and/or data, send out distributions, and view specific folders for questions and assignments. We'll start with how to add users to groups. First, I navigate to Rosters, District Teachers. I can see all teacher groups listed to the left of the teacher roster. Two groups that almost all of our accounts utilize often are the District Admin and Campus Admin groups. These groups are helpful because they are set up to give individuals access to either their own campus's information or the entire district's information. To add a user to a group, I select the box to the left of the user's name, hover over Group Options, Add to Group, and then select the name of the group I'd like to add the teacher to. As soon as a user is added to a group, they are afforded all the permissions given to that group in user management. Let's review how to create a teacher group. I'm still on the District Teachers page. From here, I can view all teacher groups and click on the green plus button to the right of teacher groups to add a new one. I type the name of the group here and then select Submit. This new group can now have teachers added to it. And if I'd like to give that group specific permissions, like viewing classes, students, and reports for more than just their own students, I can do that using the user management tool through the main admin account. Or if I don't have access to that account, I can reach out to the person on my team who does have access. If I'd like to edit a group that has previously been created, I click on the pencil icon to the right of the group's name. I can change the name, and then select Update Group, and even delete the group. If I decide not to make any changes, I can simply select Close. Congratulations! You're now able to create teacher groups and add teachers to those groups. If you're not sure who has access to edit the permissions for each of these groups, please reach out to the person responsible for Edcite within your district or email support@edcite.com. Happy testing!